So have you ever been interested in flipping homes or renovations? Well, you're in luck today because check out our newest renovation project. Nice, huh? This is the dumpster, obviously. Come check it out. We're out here at Sun City Summerlin today. This has been our specialty over the last couple of years. Sun City Summerlin, by the way, this is a project by Paragon Asset Management Group. We are the premier provider of renovated homes right here in Las Vegas. And this is just gonna be another testament to the amazing job that our team does and the beautiful finished product that we have. Quality workmanship, all that good stuff. But this is another model that we've done many times, and I'm gonna go in and show you the before of this and show you some of the design ideas that we've done in other properties. And then when we're all finished, I'll bring you back to show you the final product. So let's get inside right now. Let's go. Welcome to a hidden gem tucked away in the age-restricted community of Sun City Summerlin. Proudly presented by Paragon Asset Management Group, top provider of premium renovated homes in Las Vegas. Hey, I'm Brian Isley, your local Las Vegas real estate broker. And if you want to know everything about Las Vegas, click the subscribe button below, please. You're going to be first notified about all the market conditions here in Las Vegas, and you get to see our beautiful renovation projects. So whether you're looking to move now, next week, next month, next year, it doesn't matter. Please reach out. We love hearing from you. We're helping people find their dream home here in Las Vegas all the time. Information's below. You can even schedule a Zoom call, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, all that good stuff. Let's get to the tour now. Today we're excited to give you the first look at our latest acquisition. This property is ripe for transformation and promises to embody modern luxury and comfort once complete. So in the front, we usually utilize this space right here. We'll put in a courtyard, maybe a pony wall here with a little courtyard in the front, patio area, and utilize some of this up front. I'll throw some photos up of some of the other projects we've done of that. Let's head inside. Currently, the property features 2 bedrooms and a den, which can be reconfigured as a 3rd bedroom, offering flexibility in design. The expansive living area spanning 2,577 square feet presents a canvas for creating an open and inviting space. So one of the biggest transformations that you will see is going to happen in this room and in the kitchen. But right here, this room right here is going to turn into an office. That's what we usually do. It'll be an office / bedroom, so it could be multi-purpose. And then this is so cluttered and closed off. So what we do is completely wipe out this wall here, open up the kitchen, and then this back wall is going to turn into pocket doors that open up the entire backyard. Imagine this space, now outdated and bland, transformed into a vibrant, modern living area with high-end finishes and the latest in home technology. Plans include a luxurious master suite and a state-of-the-art kitchen that opens up to spectacular views of the golf course. So we're gonna leave this wall the way that it is because we think it's beautiful. What do you guys think? Dated. Dated, okay. All right, we'll get rid of it. We're gonna get rid of this whole thing, redo the fireplace, put in our custom-built bookshelves, really just completely transform this space as well. So here's the kitchen. You guys like the wallpaper? Nice. So again, this is gonna be a massive transformation. Stove, all that's gonna come over to this side of the kitchen. Massive kitchen island here where we'll have it open to this side and open out this way. Also redo the whole dining area out here so you have a beautiful view of the golf course. Primary bedroom, here we are. A little dark and dated for me, which is why we love these types of properties because we can come in here and completely transform the space. What we've done in the past is accent wall for your headboard, basically, bed coming out, TV, fireplace on the wall here, and then pocket doors opening up the backyard, letting a lot more light in here, add some can lights in, brighten up this room, but check out this bathroom. Woo boy. Look at that tub. So, you think we need to do something in here? Yeah, I'll throw up some photos of what we've done in the past, and then it's gonna be very similar to that. Another beautiful transformation. Can't wait to get to it. All right, so last but not least, let's check out the backyard. Imagine pocket doors here, completely wide open. Access this space. We've got some work to do out here as well, but this is what I really love about this property is the view of the green right here, 15th, 19th green. I can't remember, I'll put it in the comment section, but beautiful water all the way around, amazing view. And this is one of the issues that we see back here that we're gonna have to address. This wall leaves kind of access open to the main road right here, and we want to add some more privacy there. So whether that's a pony wall or putting up some greenery that's going to grow big and fresh, give you some more privacy, but we will address that and we'll let you know how we do in the after video. Residents of Sun City Summerlin enjoy access to championship golf courses, recreation centers, and a vibrant community lifestyle, making this an ideal location for those looking to enjoy their retirement in style. So thanks for coming on the tour with us of this renovation project right here in Sun City Summerlin. And whether you're looking to move now, next month, next year, doesn't matter, please reach out, give us a call. We're hearing from people that are moving to Vegas all the time. We love being a resource for you here in Vegas. So give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and you can even schedule a Zoom call below. Love to talk to you. If you want to see what this property is going to look like, check out this video right here. It's the same model. See you on the next one.